When working in a production environment, it's common to receive drawings that were created by others. Typically, when you receive a file, you'll need to convert it to your layer standards before the geometry can be used in your project. One of the first steps in converting a client's drawing is to change all of the object properties to be by layer. In this lesson, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make that conversion. On my screen, I have a detailed drawing that I received from a client. Now, this is a DWG file, however, it was not created using AutoCAD. If I open the Layer Properties Manager, you can see that all of the layers are set to white and they have a continuous line type. This means that most of the color and line type properties that we see on screen are being forced on the objects. To strip off all of the forced properties, I'm going to open the Modify panel, and then I'll select the Set to by Layer tool. I will then select my geometry, and I'll press Enter. Now AutoCAD wants to know if I'd like to convert any by block properties to by layer. I'll press Enter to accept yes. And finally, AutoCAD asks me if I'd like to include blocks. This is probably the most powerful feature of this tool, because when I select yes, AutoCAD will go inside each block definition and remove all of the forced properties. I'll press Enter to accept yes, and as you can see, all of the objects are now getting their property information from the layer settings. And I'm one step closer to having this drawing converted to my office standards. One thing is certain, no two offices use the same set of CAD standards. With the Set to by Layer tool, you can easily strip unwanted properties and quickly transition geometry from one standard to another.